Cha-cha-cha, Igbo kwenu.
Hey.
Cha-cha-cha, Arise kwenu.
Hey.
Cha-cha-cha, Nigeria kwenu.
Hey.
Thank you.
Good to have you on the show.
Thank you.
All right, so how would you assess Nigeria's effort as promoting Nigeria's indigenous languages and, of course, cultures currently?
I would say it's very disheartening because we are not putting the necessary efforts. Honestly speaking, because we have various exams, if you want to leave Nigeria today, there are so many exams you have to take, including the one for IELTS, you have the one for TOEFL, but there's nothing like that for us in Nigeria here. There is no intentional effort made towards helping children in primary schools, in secondary schools to learn their indigenous languages. Maybe, we can say in Lagos State says learn Yoruba language. But if you look at the curriculum, what does the curriculum offer to an Igbo child living in Nigeria, in Lagos State rather? What does it offer to an Ishekiri child living in Lagos State? So I would say that on the basics, on the overall, the effort is nothing to write home about, There's no good